how to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end, which is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right here, Photoshop owns by Adobe. So what you need to do is just head over to your browser. You don't need the Photoshop app for this. And from in there, you can just search to PNG to vector, and in here you can see the site of Adobe. So just click on this link right here, and then from in there you can just upload your photo. So just click on this right here, and then from in there it will open a site which is the new.express.adobe.com, and it will help us convert our PNG to SVG. So from in here you can just drag and drop an image, or you can just browse. So for me, I will browse for an image that I want to use. And then from in there, I can just upload an image. So from in there, just click on open. And as you can see, it will vectorize the image that we have uploaded. And then as you can see, the SVG is ready to download. So you can just click on this download right here in order to download that specific PNG. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop 2023. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.